guys. I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, the SEC's chair, the Securities and Exchange Commission, you might have been hearing about them a lot, especially if you are in the crypto. The Gary Gensler is the chairman of it. Now, somehow, from the political perspective, his strategy is coming under question. That he is supposed to be there probably to be protecting the users fund, implementing the policies that is supposed to be protecting the users fund. But right now we have had this Terra collapse, the Voyager collapse, the Celsius collapse, and then the mother of all, the FTX collapse, the entire exchange collapsing, and that too because of the fraud of the owner. Like basically he misused users fund in a fraudulent manner. He's not supposed to go out there and gamble users fund, right? He's supposed to do whatever with his own money, but not users fund. But that is what he did, and this is why the entire FTX thing collapsed. Now the congressman Tom Emmer, he showed the concern about this thing, that okay, we have had so many collapse, and the users fund is supposed to be protected, but we are not being able to see any protection on that front. In fact, the kind of collapses that we have seen, this is really bad, not just for the space, for the entire people's money. Now having said that, the second point, he also mentioned that he had also been vocal. I mean, he previously was vocal about the fact that Gary Gensler's indiscriminate and inconsistent approach towards the crypto oversight. That means rather than trying to be focusing onto the things which is going to actually protect the user's fund, he's trying to push the crypto and the blockchain firms and reporting requests, reporting requests that he's requesting for, that is like quite an overburdensome and stifling. Like it is quite tough for the people to maintain. So rather than focusing, like this is a kind of a thing probably that is pushing, I mean, that is unnecessarily creating the resistance and barriers for the blockchain firms, rather than actually implementing the things that is going to protect the users, when especially when we are in the coming in the name of like protecting users fund. Now there is I mean, they even said that there is a Paperwork Reduction Act of 1980 which was designed to reduce the total amount of paperwork or burden the federal government imposes on private citizens and businesses. On an end note, Emmer said that Congress shouldn't have to learn the details without the SEC's oversight agenda through planted stories in progressive publication. Now, having said that, like they for example, there was another crypto Fed DAO, the first official decentralized or autonomous organization in the United States. It began the litigation battle with the SEC over 2021 token registrations and opted not to have the attorneys in its fight for registration. American Crypto Fed also indicated its plan to file a motion for extending the deadline for its answer to the SEC's order instituting administrative proceedings. Now, having all that thing done, said and done, right? What we are talking, like personally, guys, what do you feel? Like personally, I have seen. We had the Terra collapse. We had all that thing that had happened previously. Gary Gensler was pretty much outspoken into the thing that okay, we need to be out there, we need to be protecting the users fund, we need to be classifying what are the securities and stuff. But here after the FTX collapse, how much have you seen? Like how much is he out? And because this is a plain robbery, the FTX sort of a thing is a plain robbery. Probably the Terra was something miscalculation, like it is not in the people's hand, but this one was like gambling. Somebody was gambling with people's money, is not supposed to. And pretty much he's being protected. Even the CZ Binance, he said like this is one of the biggest cover up that probably he has seen out there in the mainstream media. And personally, even I have seen that. Just imagine the kind of thing that we are talking about. Like somebody is gambling with people's money, is playing with the people's money the way he should never have played around with, like he's gambling, leverage trading, and entire he lost it for all. and he is actually going to be speaking at an event in a few days. That's what he tweeted, and there is a big backlash from the crypto community that somebody who should rather be in jail right now probably should be facing a huge amount of like legal action, and probably he'll be coming out and delivering things. And in fact, there are reports coming out that like some of the people are saying that a lot more than Sam Bankman-Friedman people were involved. Like a lot people were involved because SBF or Sam Bankman-Friedman was previously also being blamed that he is trying to take sides, like he's trying to be a nice guy within the crypto, but he's actually working for somebody else and trying to do this centralization thing, which people do not want within the crypto. Like obviously the very purpose of the crypto is itself, like it started with the decentralization. So all that thing happening, guys, what do you feel like? Are we heading towards? What is happening? I would like to know your opinion. I just expressed my own opinion rather than pointing exactly why, because we do not have the exact proof for the things, but the sort of incidents and things are pointing towards in a certain direction. What would you like to say onto this? And please do comment down below. I would like to know about it and your opinion. And again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. At the same time, you can win one full Bitcoin just by signing up to the best exchange, the Binance the best exchange in the world, Binance, and just purchase your first crypto. The link I have left down below in the description, and there will be a quick video how can you win the one full Bitcoin. Watch the video, and till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.